Good morning, children. So today we are going to continue lesson number 3, chapter 3, Maths, 4th standard, a trip to Bhopal. Right? In previous class we have done that students have started their journey and they have passed, see here, on a bridge on river Narmada. Then they were discussing among themselves what will be the distance of water level from a bridge in rainy season and if it is not rainy season. That we have done calculation part till page number 26, and we are now on page number 27. Look at here. Now two buses have to be refilled with the diesel. So they were waiting there for refilling the diesel in two buses. All the children were very excited to see how the buses are refilled with diesel. Now based on this, there is one question here. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. So you have to find out the price of 1 liter of diesel. Just look at here. If you visit any petrol pump, you will see this type of indicator. How much petrols you are refilling and how much is the price. Look at here. The rupees, how much rupees? It's written 3500. And how many liters? Yes, 100. But from this you have to find out the price of 1 liter of diesel. Just look at here on board. Price of 1 liter of diesel you have to calculate, right? So what you will do for that? You have to first write the total rupees paid. How many rupees paid? 3500. Divide by total liters of diesel. We have seen the indicator. How many liters of diesel paid filled in that bus? 100 liter. So you will get the answer 0 and 0. This 2 0 cancel. So how much rupees for 1 liter of diesel is 35, or 135 is a 3500. So this way you can calculate the price of 1 liter of diesel if total rupees paid is 3500 is known to you, and also the total liters of diesel filled in that bus. So if you divide it, you will get the answer of 1 liter of diesel. Just have a look and take a screenshot and copy in your notebook this answer. This one. Here. Page number 27. Price of 1 liter of diesel. You have to calculate like this. Okay. Let us move on next further. Page number 27. So as the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. So there was one toilet near the petrol pump, so children are going there. Question is, how much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? This is the question. Now just look at here, one girl is saying something. Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. इसने क्या बोला कि अमन ने उतना ही टाइम लिया टॉयलेट में जितना एक बस को डीजल रिफिल करने में टाइम लगा, उतना टाइम उसने अपने आप को एम्प्टी करने में. सो मतलब ये हैज गॉन टू टॉयलेट, तो उसको उतना टाइम वहाँ पे खाली करने को टाइम लगा जितना बस में डीजल फिल करने के लिए लगा. So how much time was taking one bus to refilling? We have already done that. How much time? Yes, 15 minutes. For one bus to fill up the diesel in a bus, it takes 15 minutes. The same time Aman has taken to come out of toilet. So write here 15 minutes. In your book, the same question is there. Write the answer there. 15 minutes. Clear? Let us move on page number 28. Now, where the children are going? Just have a look what they were discussing among themselves. To Bhimbetka. Now they are going to Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, so two buses are refilled, again they have started their journey. The journey starts again. Now, the children told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Now the teacher told the children that now they are going to stop at Bhimbetka. Now how this is the conversation between the children are given here. Just listen. Anjan said, what is Bhimbetka? अभी वो लोग जा रहे थे भोपाल पे, बट इन बिटवीन देर वॉज वन प्लेस भीमबेटका. सी वॉज आस्किंग व्हाट इज भीमबेटका. तो मिस रैना टीचर सेड दैट इट्स अ प्लेस with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. बोला कि ये जो भीमबेटका प्लेस है, इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड प्लेस एंड देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ केव्स. गुफाएं बोलते हैं ना, पत्थर की गुफा, तो वो गुफा है. एंड देर आर मैनी केव पेंटिंग्स. वो गुफा में, वो केव्स में पेंटिंग्स हैंड पेंट किया हुआ है. एंड इट वॉज मेड बाय पीपल 10,000 years ago. कितने साल पहले का है वो सब हैंड पेंटिंग्स. एंड पीपल यूज टू लिव देयर 10,000 years. Imagine, it's a long ago, 10,000 years ago, these caves were made and cave paintings were made. Now, Sumanto said 10,000 years. She was very shocked. Oh, this place is so old. I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. कि मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता कि 1,000 years पहले कैसा होगा. Now Gopi said, oh, 1,000 years is a big time, big thing, it's very big thing, yes. अगर 10 साल बोलो तो भी हमारे लिए तो कितना बड़ा, तो ये तो 10,000. And for Gopi she said that it's 1,000 is also very big thing. I can't even think of 100 years, कि मैं तो 100 साल का भी नहीं सोच सकती हूँ कि कितना पुराना है. So by the time Gauri said, I can think of 100 years, मतलब I can think about 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. क्योंकि मैं तो सोच सकती हूँ 100 साल का होता है, क्योंकि उसके जो फादर थे उनकी ग्रैंड मदर शी इज स्टिल अलाइव एंड शी इज 100 years old. So Manjit said that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. मतलब 100 साल वाली 100 ग्रैंड मदर हो उतना पुराना ये केव्स है. वन ग्रैंड मदर अगर 100 साल जिए तो 100 साल जीने वाली 100 ग्रैंड मदर्स हो तो 10,000 years हो जाए ना. तो वैसे इतना पुराना ये केव्स है. सो एवरीबडी बर्स्ट इनटू अ लाफ्टर. सब हंसने लगे, हा हा हा, सब हंसने लगे ये सुन के. नाउ द चिल्ड्रन आर रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी द केव्स पेंटिंग्स. अभी उनको पता चला कि ये तो 10,000 years ओल्ड केव पेंटिंग्स है. सो दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी दैट. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Now what time they reach there? At 11 o'clock. Suppose they have started their journey at 9 o'clock and they are supposed to reach Bhopal by 11 o'clock. But बीच में बस रिफिलिंग का टाइम हो गया, 2 buses थे, so 15 minutes तो 30 minutes वहाँ पे लेट हो गए. So now they reach Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock. Now look at here, this is it's not very clear picture, but this kind of painting was there on the caves, and these are all hand painted by the people long ago. Look here, wow, even 10,000 years ago people made such lovely paintings, that too on rocks. So आप तो पेपर पे पेंटिंग कर रहे हो, but these paintings are 10,000 years old and they have painted on the rocks. हम यहाँ अभी जो कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं उस टाइप के कलर्स भी नहीं थे. सो ओ सी अदर चाइल्ड से, ओ दिस रॉक्स आर thousands of years old. ये रॉक तो thousands मतलब 10,000 years old है. और उस पर पेंटिंग भी कितना ब्यूटीफुली उन्होंने ड्रॉ किया हुआ था विद द नेचुरल कलर्स. लेट अस मूव ऑन पेज नंबर 29. Now see the discussion further here. Shankar said this paintings also has very big bisons. Bisons है ना, जैसे बुलॉक होता है ना, बड़द बोलते हैं, तो जंगली बुलॉक होता है ना, ऐसा इतना बड़ा ह्यूज साइज का होता है, जंगली टाइप का होता है. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the painting. तो शंकर ने बोला एक काम करो, मैं ना बाइसन काउंट करता हूँ कि पेंटिंग में कितने बाइसन्स है, एंड यू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डियर्स इन द पेंटिंग. तो पेंटिंग में डियर अलग से दिख रहे थे, हिरन हम बोलते हैं वो, एंड बाइसन को मैं काउंट करता हूँ. So by the time Bonamala, तो Bonamala said I will count people. तो Bonamala बोले ठीक है, मैं ना नंबर ऑफ पीपल का भी पिक्चर था वो केव्स में रॉक पे ड्रॉ किया हुआ. So I will count number of people. Let us see which are the most bison, deer और people. तो कौन सबसे ज़्यादा है? बाइसन सबसे ज़्यादा है, डियर सबसे ज़्यादा है और पीपल सबसे ज़्यादा है. पिक्चर किसका ज़्यादा है वो हम काउंट करते हैं. So they all started, children started counting the number of deers, number of bisons and number of people picture on the cave, on the stone, on the rock. See, now this Shankar, he has counted number of bisons. He was counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and he came till 37. So he told that I got answer. 37 bisons are there on the rocks. Now Bonamala said she was counting also number of deers. So 1, 2, 3 and she came till 117. She counted number of deers on the rock 117. So just look at the board. We just write down the number of deers. How many deers she counted? 117. And number of bison counted 37. Okay. So this much we have to keep ready. Number of deers and number of bisons. Bisons how many? 37 they have counted and number of deers counted 170. We just write down the addition of both. Number of deers plus number of bisons. Number of deers 170 plus number of bison 37. So what will be the addition? If you know the orally calculation you can do. If you don't know, just side पे आप रफ वर्क कर सकते हो. 7 plus 7, yes, 14. So 4 and 1 carry. Make a circle so you can count it as a carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5 and this 1. So total 154 bisons and deers. Okay. So these are the total number of bisons and deers. Super. I'll write it clear. 1, 5, 4. Now see the question. We have counted number of deers and bison. It is 154. How many deer are there than bisons? तो कितने deers ज़्यादा है bison से ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. Just look at the board here. How many more deers are there than bison? कितने deer ज़्यादा है bison से? तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? सबट्रैक्ट. So difference is equal to number of deers minus number of bisons. Okay, so number of deers, how many we have written here? 117. Minus number of bisons, how many? 37. Okay, so we have to subtract it. अगर आपको साइड पे सबट्रैक्ट करके भी आता है तो आप कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली आता है तो भी आप कर सकते हो. 7 minus 7 सेम नंबर सबट्रैक्ट होता है तो 0, राइट. Now 1 में से 3 subtract नहीं हो सकता, so borrow. Here it will be 0 and 10 plus we have borrowed 10, so 10 plus 1 is 11. So what is 11 minus 3? Count it. 8. So write it here 8. So how many more deers are there? 80. What you write the answer over here? 80. 80 more deers than bison. Bison भी 37 ही थे. तो डियर तो उससे कितने ज़्यादा है? 80 नंबर में ज़्यादा है. Now look at here further in textbook question. How many people must Bonamala have counted? ये क्वेश्चन है, उसके पहले आप यहाँ पे देखना. But Bonamala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison. अभी Bonamala ज़्यादा खुश हो गई क्योंकि वो काउंट कर रही थी नंबर ऑफ पीपल को और उसने देखा कि नंबर ऑफ पीपल आर मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ डियर एंड बाइसन. नंबर ऑफ डियर और बाइसन मिला के भी ज़्यादा है नंबर ऑफ पीपल. हर काउंट इज लेस देन 200. उसने जो नंबर ऑफ पीपल काउंट किया था वो लेस देन 200 था. बट डियर और बाइसन को मिला के अगर जब काउंट करें तो नंबर ऑफ पीपल ज़्यादा थे, 200 से कम और नंबर ऑफ डियर एंड बाइसन से ज़्यादा. So it's based on that question is here. How many people must Bonamala have counted? Options are given here. 214, 154, 134 or 177. Okay, this is the question. I'll explain you on the board. Just look at here. We have to count the number of people, right? But Bonamala was telling that number of people are more than number of deers and bison. Number of bisons and deers are total 154. मतलब number of people उससे ज़्यादा थे. 154 से ज़्यादा हो गई. 155, 156, 157. We don't know that. But number of people are less than 200. 200 से कम थे. 154 से ज़्यादा, 200 से less. See option is given here. 200 से less, so 240 तो हो नहीं सकता है. 154 हो नहीं सकता because it is exactly same as number of deer and bison. लेकिन उससे तो वो ज़्यादा था. 134 no, it is not possible because 154 से तो वो ज़्यादा था. So 134 is also not possible. So what will be the answer now left? 177. Yes, ये 200 से भी कम है और 154 से भी ज़्यादा है. So number of people Bonamala counted is 177. Okay, this just I'm keeping it on the board and take a screenshot and you can copy in your notebook. See this, you can see show this rough work on right side of your notebook and write this way. Okay, take a screenshot and copy in your notebook. So this is interesting lesson about the trip. Just enjoy your rainy season and copy down parallel all the sums we have discussed in the class. Thank you.